there, I'm Andrew Wilson from Technical Training Australia. I'm here to give you a bit of an update on the 2019 SWP exam changes. You'll see that I'm wearing low voltage insulated gloves and non-conductive outers, and this will be a requirement for the 2019 SWP exam. You'll see that the gloves that you need to buy got to be rated at 650 volts, and it must have the appropriate Australian standard stamped on the glove. So you've got your gloves. Okay, what's next? What's the next change? You'll find if you look over here, you're now going to fill out a risk assessment form for each appliance that you are going to be disconnecting and reconnecting. You'll be doing the heater, the three-phase motor, and also the hot water service. But there's one other change that you need to be aware of. When you're doing the SWP exam, before we used to use a loose junction box and we used to insulate our cables with insulation tape. Now what we do is we have a fixed junction box with fixed terminals to make it a lot easier for when we are using gloves. The process is still the same, and you have to demonstrate to the assessor that you know what you're doing. You need to demonstrate that you can disconnect it safely and reconnect it safely. Well, how do I get my gloves? Well, ring TTA, ring Christine, she'll organise gloves, outers, and also if you haven't got an IR tester, we have a really good deal with our local wholesaler, and they will give you a very, very special rate for TTA students. Make sure you get the letter from Christine, and she will make sure that you get that discount on the IR tester. So you will need your IR tester, your gloves, you're aware of the changes, and of course the question is, how long and how many sessions do I need to do for SWP? Generally, it'll take you 2 2-hour sessions. That's pretty well much what we do. 2 2-hour sessions will enable you to have enough training in order to demonstrate your skills to an assessor, but it comes with practice. Talk to Christine about getting free practice at TTA. We're here to help you and to get you qualified. So that's the update on the 2019 SWP exam. Thanks for watching.